Sir, today we inaugurated the satellite center in collaboration with the Andhra Pradesh MedTech Zone. So, what is the future of this collaboration? What will be the outcome of this collaboration, sir?
So this is a very important event. We have collaboration and inaugurating the satellite center at MedTech Zone in Vizag between IIHMR and AMTZ. The purpose of this collaboration are several. One, of course, we have this MBA program in hospital management and health IT management. So this is a good place. This satellite would serve as an immersion center for this. So they will come over here for a few weeks, work with AMTZ, work with the satellite center, and get insights into hands-on practices in technology development. Medical technology. In new technologies. This will help students to learn. This is one, but the other important thing is we are into capacity development of health program managers and IT professionals in MedTech. So we will be into capacity building by organizing short-term training programs here at the Satellite Center in partnership with AMTZ. There's another thing we have in mind in this collaboration is to undertake health technology assessment research. The medical devices which are developed through it have to undergo assessment. So we will be partnering with AMTZ in conducting health technology assessment. Finally, ensuring its uptake for use by the health and the people to improve health outcomes. So we have very large long-term goals in having this collaboration.
Thank you, sir, for providing your visionary words. We are looking forward to it. Thank you very much, sir.